Hello and welcome to the University of Westminster. Welcome to our open day for the Business Information Systems degree. Together today we're going to identify what Business Information Systems is, what are the unique aspects of the Business Information Systems degree as it is delivered at the University of Westminster, why Business Information Systems is a good career choice, and I'm sure that at the end we're going to convince you that Business Information Systems is the right degree for you. I'm Dr. Panos Hudas, and together we're going to go through the Business Information Systems degree at the University of Westminster. I'm the course leader for the Business Information Systems degree, and as you can see, my research and teaching are focusing in the application of business information systems in industry and businesses for the purpose of delivering more efficient and more proactive businesses and public organizations. Recently, the focus of my research has been on improving businesses and organizations, public organizations, by using big data and change analytics. Now, we said we're going to have a look on the course details, on the specific details of the business information systems. So let's go through slowly. The Business Information Systems degree is delivered at the Cavendish campus, which is central London. The Business Information Systems degree is delivered at the School of Computer Science. We have an excellent set of computing facilities. We have 34 specialized labs for teaching. We have Windows lab, Unix labs, Linux and Mac labs. We have specialized labs for games development and large data processing. Now, let's start with what is business information system. So I'll leave this answer to somebody who I'm sure most of us will know, and that comes from Bill Gates. And Bill Gates defines business information systems as the intersection of three disciplines: business, IT, and management. Or to put it differently, as Bill Gates says, information technology and businesses are becoming inextricably interwoven. I don't think anybody can talk meaningfully about one without talking about the other. So, to put it differently, in today's complex world, business world, if you want to have successful businesses and organization, you cannot effectively run a business and manage a business without the use of IT. That's what Bill Gates is saying about business information systems. And this is the focus of our business information systems degree. How effectively IT helps business operations, how IT improves management processes, and how IT effectively empowers modern businesses and organizations and makes them competitive to a very uncertain and changing environment. We're going to have a look on business information systems in our degree from the operational point of view. So here we're going to have a look on how business information used on businesses and organizations in order to improve the daily operations, i.e. accounting, payroll, scheduling of flights, and so on. That's one view. The other view is to see how management is using business information systems in order to improve the management of an organization or a business environment. So, for example, we're going to see how management is using management information systems in order to improve the delivery of business operations. On the other hand, we're going to look on how management is using business analytics in order to analyze the data and identify the strength and the weakness of a business environment and plan for a possible future change or a different delivery of certain services or products. The Business Information System curriculum at the University of Westminster, it has two main directions. The one direction is business and management. Here, our main focus is on the functional areas of a business and the integration of computing and business management to provide business analytics and management information systems a way to achieve the organizational goals, aims, and effectively satisfy the stakeholders' requirements. The other direction of our degree is businesses and IT. So how basically business and IT are coming together. Here our focus is on effective utilizations of requirements modeling, IT security, business analytics, data mining, project management, and other functions in order to achieve our business goals as this defined by our stakeholders. So you learn how to find a story by looking at your data and translate them into professional narratives that effectively communicates to key management insights by using numbers and information. The interdisciplinary program of the nature will help you to build valuable skills in critical thinking, effectively what we mean by critical thinking, we mean how organizations use your analytical skills, how you become an out-of-box thinker who can bridge creativity with practicality and deliver problem solving, how you can confidently and assertively represent and sell your ideas to business management and clients, and how you can effectively speak both the language of business and computing while providing expertise to members of a team, having diverse skills and organizational responsibilities. So overall, our aim is to ensure that you can use IT to deliver better business operations, to deliver better management as part of a thriving and complex organization or business environment. But at the same time, we look to build your personal qualities by ensuring that you become an out-of-box thinker who can solve business problems by using the right tools, IT tools, and deliver the right IT solutions, while at the same time you can communicate your ideas and solutions to business managers, because it is important to ensure that your ideas are supported and solutions that you are delivering to business problems are supported by the executive team of an organization. Moreover, you are going to be the one who is going to bridge the gap between the business executives and the IT managers, because you can translate basically the request of the business executives to IT requests. So you can explain to the IT specialists what the business managers are expecting from a particular software or tool that you are developing as part of a solution that solves a particular business problem. The Business Information Systems degree at the University of Westminster is focused on IT solutions to real business problems. So hands-on learning is at core of the BIS course. You will have many opportunities to develop IT solutions to real business problems. At level 5, as part of the project management and professional experience module, you will come into contact with a business partner, a client, and you will have to develop an IT solution that solves a particular problem. To that extent, you will have to design, develop, and manage the development of the particular tailored solution for our client. You have further opportunities to work with real business problems by pursuing an industrial placement. And finally, you will pursue a final year project, which is effectively an extended business problem that needs to be solved with the aid of IT. And this project will be for you the showcase which will demonstrate your business and IT skills. So if you are interested in business and like to work with IT, then the University of Westminster Business Information Systems course is for you. It is designed with a combined interest from business, information technologies, professionals. So BIS unites business operations, management information systems approaches, such as system analysis and design, business analytics, project management, cybersecurity, governance, and business intelligence. BIS will help you to gain the highly valued skills and knowledge necessary to design, develop, and deliver innovative information technology solutions for all types of organizations. You will work on real-world projects and gain the insights and skills needed to succeed in today's growing business environment. Westminster academics are experts in the field with important business and IT contacts. They will help you to connect to the real business world. You will learn to utilize database management technologies for structured and non-SQL data. You will come across data analysis using R and Python. You will utilize Microsoft Project Management for the purpose of applying project management to real IT problems. You will further be exposed to web programming for developing online business information systems. So as you can see, our course is very practical and will expose you to a different set of technologies that are used in the real business information systems in industry and businesses. So if we look at the course structure, the structure of the business information systems degree, in year one, you're focusing more on the operational view of business information systems. And as you go through, you are effectively moving to the use of business information systems for the purpose of delivering a better organization by improving management practices and processes. And that happens at year three. Obviously, the final year project is combining all these elements. Effectively, it combines the functional perspective of business information systems. So it combines elements of business operations, how BIS relates to business operations, how BIS relates to management, in delivering better management, and effectively, at the end, you need to demonstrate how BIS improves either the business operations or the management or both as part of your final year project. So obviously this is the 3-year path. You may have a work placement if you decide to have a sandwich degree. So at the end of the year 2, you may follow a industrial placement. That means an extra year in industry, which is a full-paid job and gives you the opportunity to see in reality how business information systems are used in industry and businesses. You can study the business information systems degree as a 4-year degree by spending a year to build up your foundations in terms of mathematics, programming, computer systems and networks, information systems and data representation, and critical thinking and professional development. So this is an option for you if you feel that you need to build up your background before you proceed with the BSc in Business Information Systems, what we all know as a foundation year. So once you are at year 1 of the degree, you have to study 120 credit core modules. That means effectively all modules are compulsory. The year 1 modules are concentrated around data management, mathematics for management, business information concepts, effectively a review of the main types of business information systems, requirements modeling. Here you are going to identify how effectively you solve a problem. Then business computing will help you to solve and develop a solution that requires intensive data management. And web design and development will set the foundations for developing an online information system. At year 2, you have to study 120 credits. 100 credits are core, that means are compulsory, and you have a possibility to take an option module. The focus at year 2 is to identify how operational management is utilizing the different business information systems architectures to manage their data, to secure their operations, and effectively, through the agile project management and professional experience, how we solve a business problem with the aid of IT, how we develop an IT-based solution by starting from requirements, identifying the solution to the problem, designing and developing a solution, and then managing the development of this solution. In terms of option modules, you have the possibility to either take the more analytics or management route by either taking a service operation management as an option in the first semester or business analytics at the second semester. Or if you want to focus on the online information systems, then you may take the server-side web development. You'll have the opportunity, or at year 3, as we say, you will have the opportunity to develop a bespoke solution to a real business problem as part of your final year project module. This is a double module because it runs in both semester 1 and semester 2. You will also, in terms of the core modules, you'll have the opportunity to identify how management information systems are utilized in supporting the strategic level of an organization, and how you can develop an information-driven enterprise with the aid of business information systems. Then you have to take another 40 credits as option modules. So remember, each module is about 20 credits. So here the opportunity is to further develop your specialization at level 5 by looking in the area of big data analytics and visualization and dashboarding. So you further enhance your business analytics specialization by taking these two modules, big data analytics and data visualization and dashboarding. Or you may look on how business intelligence is used for delivering better customer relationship management, and how business intelligence is used in order to deliver change management. Here we're trying to see how effectively business intelligence explores our data in order to improve these two key areas or operations in our businesses, in our modern businesses. Furthermore, you may have the opportunity to take as an option module digital marketing, where here the focus is on how effectively we deliver digital marketing as part of our BIS platform. Or you may further decide to specialize in cybersecurity by effectively topping up your specialization on IT security that you develop already. Usually your contact time is 2 hours lectures and 2 hours tutorials per module. There are different types of assessment methods. You may have individuals and group projects, presentations, tutorial-based assessment, lab control assessment, portfolios, in-class tests or examinations, and the final year project, which is a major piece of work at level 6, and that contributes towards 40 credits of your final year. Furthermore, you will have the opportunity to study business information systems as a full-time 3 years in duration, or as a sandwich degree, which means 4 years full-time. The difference is that sandwich degree incorporates a year-long placement between year 2 and 3. So you work in a full-time and paid job that's related to your degree. So here you will have the opportunity to effectively have a look on how business information systems are utilized in the real business world, and gain valuable experience in developing and topping up your professional qualifications. I always recommend the sandwich degree because effectively this is a very good opportunity to come into touch with the real business, make contacts, and moreover develop skills that are very useful for your professional career. As you can see, in terms of placement opportunities, the Business Information Systems degree offers you the possibility to have a wonderful placement opportunity across different organizations. So you may have the traditional placement opportunity in software corporations like Microsoft and IBM. At the same time, you may have a placement opportunity at Lloyd's or Barclays in the banking sector, or the automotive industry like Volkswagen, or the pharmaceutical industry, or at the renewable energy industry. And that demonstrates really the multidisciplinary nature of business information systems. Business information systems is not about just developing software coding for the sake of coding. It is about effectively solving business problems with the use of IT, or delivering better organization in terms of management with the aid of IT. And that's why graduates of business information systems, they are well placed in getting a very good job across different sectors of the industry and businesses. The business information systems degree placement, it takes about 45 weeks, up to a maximum of 52 weeks, and you can have a placement in UK or overseas, either a large, medium, or small organization in public or private sector. The placement students, they do better off in their final year projects because they have the experience on solving and developing a solution to a business problem with the aid of IT. And it is true that placement students, they get easily a better and higher paid job in the industry. Now, in terms of our career, so business information system is preparing you to get a job in a fast-growing area of sustainable job growth. Business information systems prepare you for employment opportunities in business analysis, analytics, computer science, computing, and management. So you can have different roles as you see below. These different roles emphasize the diverse nature of our degree, the diverse nature of business information systems, and their wide applicability in a wide range of businesses and organizations. So as you can see, you can have a job role as a business or system analyst, as a software engineer, or web developer and computer programming if you focus on developing online information systems. You may also focus on data management or get a career or job role as a data analyst or database designer. You may be a consultant, or you may be an IT project management because you have all the skills to manage a project. You may also focus on information security as an analyst for information security. The wide applicability of business information system in industry is because of its multidisciplinary nature. Remember, business information is about using IT to deliver better business operation and better business management. To that extent, you are not surprised when you see where our recent graduates are working currently. We have graduates working in traditional software corporations like IBM and Microsoft. We have at the same time graduates working in the banking sector in HSBC and RBS, for example. You have graduates working on the NHS, in the public sector. We have graduates working on the pharmaceutical industry, and that once more demonstrate why business information systems is a good degree, because it equips you with skills that are utilized not just in the area of software engineering, but it equips you with skills, with problem-solving skills that are applicable to all different types of organizations, from software corporations to banking to pharmaceutical industries and to any type of business that requires an IT-based solution in order to operate in today's complex and uncertain business environment. You can further develop your studies by developing an expertise in a more specialized area and following our dedicated master's courses once you graduate. So we have dedicated master's courses that give you the possibility to become a top expert in the area of business intelligence and analytics, big data technologies, or software engineering if you wish to focus more on developing information systems, or in the area of cybersecurity and forensics. You will also have the opportunity to pursue a further study by effectively becoming a world-known expert, and this is by doing a PhD or pursuing a research degree in the area of business information systems. Here we have an example where effectively customer relationship management systems are analyzed in order to identify customer behavior, to identify effectively how customers are interact with our main business operations, what is the impact of this interaction with our different levels of management, and because the aim here is effectively to improve customer experience, to improve our operations, to improve our management by becoming more proactive and effectively becoming a better and more profitable organization. Now, as a university, overall, we have excellent links with industry and professional bodies. We have an extensive range of academic and pastoral support. You will be assigned to a personal tutor once you enroll to a degree. That personal tutor will be your advisor for the duration of your studies. You will have an industrial placement tutor that will help you with industrial placement and advise you during your industrial placement year. You'll have opportunities for work-based experience at home and abroad by pursuing industrial placement. And we have students from all over the world join us. We are a very diverse university, and you'll have the opportunity to explore an international community of students. Now, if you wish to have further information, you can always have a look on our alumni, and I just brought an example here of a statement about the experience of one of our alumni students who has already graduated long time ago. She is pursuing a career in the area of business information systems, and as you can see, I'm not going to go through all of it, it's all praise in terms of the wide applicability of business information systems degree in the industry, the excellent delivery of the course at the University of Westminster and its uniqueness in comparison to other courses delivered throughout the country. I'll let you read it on your own. If you want to contact us, please use our Twitter or Facebook, or simply email us. Thank you for attending the BAS course presentation.